Aishman Pant, and today we're gonna make a Cootie Catcher, and today is my 4th episode. So these are the Cootie Catcher it will look like. One is this one, the other one is this one, and the other one is this one. Like in the snowflake, you have to cut it like this. In the square paper, I started with a rectangle and cut it out. So you can pause the video and do this. You see, I ripped this thing into a square. So now let's get started. You also need 4 markers of different color. First, you have to do this. It will look like a triangle. It looks like a snowflake, but soon it will not look like a snowflake. And then the other side. And now open it up. You should see 1 line and 2 line, like 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. And now you have to do this like a paper airplane. One side. Make sure it's completely strong, and do the other side too, like the other one. But now it's not like the airplane. You have to do it in the bottom too. And now you see it'll look like this. Now flip it over and then do the same thing. Because again, it looks like an airplane, but not now. And you see a little gap on mine, but that does not do anything. If you have too much gaps, that you have to start it over again. Or look for mistakes in that thing. And now turn it over as we did on that one. And do this one, and do this. And now it will look like this. And now first, then we fold it. This might be a very tricky step. Sometimes I get trouble on this one, but now I know how to do this one. Now this side. Now put your fingers in there. And then make sure it's like this, and then you turn it like this. And open it up again. And open this up and this up. And now you do this, and now you made a Cootie Catcher. Please subscribe my video. And thank you for subscribers in my last 3 episodes. Thank you very much. And please press the bell icon. And see you in my 5th episode. Bye bye. See you soon.